What is up, you guys? Today we are going to be unboxing the Gas Monkey Garage mystery box. Let's see what's in it. So unfortunately, the mystery box from Gas Monkey Garage is no other than a bag. Yeah, this was just a fake box that I spray painted for mysterious effect. But you know, other than that, it feels rather heavy. Okay. Feels kind of soft, so let's get in there and see what's in it. All right, let's see. Oh, first up, we have a Gas Monkey t-shirt. It's black. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. It's very soft. Cool. It says that it is printed in the USA. Look at that. Let's see what else we have. Oh, I see another black t-shirt. This one looks kind of cool. Oh, it's a long sleeve. Get you some of that. Get on down. That's pretty nice. The front of it's got a cool logo on it also. I think it'll look good. Oh, we got a big one. Oh, it's a hoodie. The Gas Monkey logo on the front. And then the same logo on the back, just a little bit bigger. Very nice. Next, we've got a green shirt. As I said earlier, green is my favorite. Oh, just a little plain Gas Monkey logo on the front, nothing on the back. That's not bad. I like it. There's still stuff in here. I mean, this was a $100 mystery box, $120 mystery box. And so far, we've got a really nice hoodie, a long sleeve, two nice short sleeves. Let's see what else we got. But I think it's actually one that I wanted to buy. Yes. So if you don't know, Gas Monkey Garage is giving away vehicles. I don't know which giveaway they're on, but they've been giving away a lot of very nice vehicles. One of them being a brand new C8 ZR1 Corvette. I don't know what the current giveaway is, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty awesome. So if you would like to get entered into the Gas Monkey Garage giveaway, I'm not sponsored by any way from Gas Monkey Garage, but you can buy their merchandise and get entered to win any of their giveaways. I believe they're giving away a Lamborghini, a ZR1, a Blackwing, a Hellcat, a Dodge Demon. I mean, a bunch of really nice, really cool vehicles. So if you want your merchandise, go to Gas Monkey Garage, load up on some merch, get some entries to win, and get you a new vehicle. All right, we have one more item left. What could it be? A Gas Monkey hat. The bill is very soft. I'm not the biggest fan of that. It's got some cushion to it, but I mean, that's not bad. A little snapback. I mean, I'll wear it. I bought it. So. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the non-mystery box from Gas Monkey Garage. Like I said, if you would like any merchandise, get entered to win in the giveaway, go to gasmonkeygarage.com, buy some merchandise, get some free entries into the giveaway. That way you may walk away with a very nice ride.